Hi there! I've got a great tool to show you today. Introducing the BOSCH Fontus 18V Cordless Outdoor Pressure Washer. This powerhouse delivers versatility like no other. Need to clean your car, motorbike, or outdoor gear? No problem. With a maximum pressure output of 120 bar, it tackles dirt and grime effortlessly. The BOSCH Fontus is cordless, allowing you to clean anywhere. Whether you are connected to the mains water supply or using the inbuilt 15-liter tank. For spray patterns? Check. Adjustable water pressure? Absolutely. And don't forget the smart brush for those tough spots. Lightweight and compact, the BOSCH Fontus is designed for easy transport and storage. So why wait?
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.